Hi friends, welcome to Marco Insights. All brands need loyal followers. Every brand tries to establish a unique connection with their audience. If we think as a customer, there is something about brands we connect with, something which makes them irreplaceable. So what is it that attracts us to these brands? Is it impressive ad campaign or brand identity design, or it is just a good trick? The answer is brand archetypes. Noted psychologist Carl Jung theorized that human uses symbolism to more easily understand complex concepts. These are archetypes. Universal inborn models of people, behaviors, or personalities that play a role in influencing human behavior. These archetypes were archaic form of innate human knowledge passed down from our ancestors. In his book, Carl Jung goes on to say that all the most powerful ideas in history go back to archetypes. Just as fictional characters are written according to broadly defined paradigms which help us to understand their actions, a brand archetype is a way to represent a brand, its symbology, values, and messages as a persona, thus making it more recognizable and relatable to target audience. There are 12 classic brand archetypes. All these brand archetypes represent a persona which is unique. Let's dive into the 12 brand archetypes. Number 1 is the innocent. Innocent brands just want you to have fun. Their goal is to be happy. They exhibit happiness, goodness, optimism, safety, romance, and youth. They use pure means such as nostalgia or clean humor. There is no cynicism or mudslinging for an innocent brand. This archetype is best suited for beauty, skincare, or fresh food brands. Number 2 is the sage. The sage is a seeker of truth, knowledge, and wisdom. Their goal is to help the world gain wisdom and insight. Their traits are that they are knowledgeable, trusted source of information, wisdom, intelligence, thoughtful, analytical, mentors, gurus, and advisors. This is best suited for news networks, schools, universities, and consultancies. Number 3 is the explorer. They find inspiration in travel, risk, discovery, and the thrill of new experiences. Their motto is that you only get one life, make it count. Fueled by adventure, they want to break free from the familiar and get out in the unknown. Their traits are that they are restless, adventurous, ambitious, individualistic, independent, and pioneering. This archetype is best suited for auto, outdoor equipment, and adventure travel. Here are some examples. Number 4 is the hero. The hero wants to make the world a better place, triumph over evil, adversity, or a major challenge, and in doing so, inspire us all. Their traits are that they are courageous, bold, honorable, strong, confident, and inspirational. It is best suited for brands of sportswear, outdoor brands, or equipment brands. The examples could be Number 5 is the magician. The magician is all about bringing your wildest dreams to life. Their world is rooted in imagination and endless possibilities rather than reality and practicality. They say anything can happen. Their traits are that they are visionaries, charismatic, imaginative, idealistic, and spiritual. It is best suited for brands like entertainment, beauty, and health. Here are some examples. Number 6 is the rebel. The rebel questions authorities and break the rules. They crave rebellion and revolution. They are unconventional and assure a complete insurgency. Their traits are that they are rebellious, iconoclastic, wild, and paving the way for change. Of all archetypes, rebels inspire the strongest brand loyalty, as their counter-cultural messages resonate beyond just the product and with their customers' lifestyles and philosophies. They are best suited for brands like auto, construction, and body art. Here are some examples. Number 7 is the citizen, the everyman. The everyman demonstrates the virtue of being an ordinary person. They are driven by need to belong. They want to be liked by all. So they would never dream of being provocative or controversial. Their traits are that they are down to earth, supportive, faithful, person next to door, connects with others. It is best suited for brands which are for home and family, everyday apparel, or family auto. Here are some examples. Number 8 is the jester. The jester is all about having fun and living life in the moment. Jesters aim to entertain you, make you laugh and get you smiling with their mix of cheekiness, humor, and silliness. They don't mind poking fun at someone else if it gets a laugh. They are fun, have a good sense of humor, light-hearted, mischievous, and irreverent. They are best suited for brands such as confectionery, child entertainment, and beer brands. Here are some examples. Number 9 is the lover. The lover is completely emotional, passionate, and all things beautiful. They want to win your heart as well as your mind. The lover's core desire is to attain intimacy and experience sensual pleasure. The traits are that they are passionate, sensual, intimate, romantic, warm, committed, and idealistic. It is best suited for brands like cosmetics, jewelry, and fashion. Here are some examples. Number 10 is the ruler. The ruler knows that the best thing to do to avoid chaos is to take control. Often described as gatekeeper, this brand archetype loves power. Power isn't everything for them, it is the only thing. Their traits are that they are leaders, they are responsible, organized, role models, and administrators. It is best suited for brands like luxury cars, watches, and upscale hotels. Here are some examples. Number 11 is the caregiver. Caregiver has a selfless personality and is driven by the desire to protect. They simply take those who are in need under their wing until they are stronger and able to take care of themselves. Their traits are that they are caring, maternal nurturing, selfless, generous, and compassionate. It is best suited for brands which are in healthcare or non-profits and education. Here are some examples. Number 12 is the creator. The creator has a vision, a way they feel the world should be. They want to create an enduring product that turns that vision into reality. They are trendsetters and future gazers. Their traits are that they are creative, imaginative, artistic, inventive, entrepreneurs, non-conformists. It is best suited for brands like art and design, technology, and marketing. Here are some examples. So this was all about brand archetypes. What do you think, which archetype suits you the most? Are you that inspiring hero? Or that visionary creator? Or probably you're just that fun-loving jester. Brand archetypes are a tool that can help you differentiate your brand and give it a depth of personality and use it truly to connect with your audience. There is no better way to connect on a human level than with a human personality. And there is no better way to develop a human personality than using an archetypal framework which is developed to evoke human desires. Thanks for watching this video. Do give your reviews in the comment section, and if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.